When our Angular component is initialized, the constructor method is the first to run. Here, we are injecting the renderer2 service, which allows us to safely interact with the DOM elements of our application. We call the loadTheme method within the constructor to ensure that the user's theme preference is applied immediately as the component mounts. The loadTheme method takes care of checking the local storage for any saved theme preferences under the key user theme. If it finds a stored value, it will use that as the theme. Otherwise, it defaults to default theme. Once the theme is determined, the applyTheme method is called to activate the theme visually on our app. Within applyTheme, we construct the class name relevant to the chosen theme, in this case, prepending theme to the theme's name. We then use renderer2's removeClass method to wipe any previous theme classes from the document body, ensuring we're not stacking classes. Afterward, we add the new theme class with the addClass method. This has the effect of applying the desired styles as defined in our CSS. Our setTheme method is straightforward. It takes a string representing the theme and does two things. First, it saves this preference using local storage to ensure that the user's choice persists across sessions. Then, it calls applyTheme to immediately update the app's appearance to reflect the new theme. Imagine a user clicking a button to switch themes. That's where changeTheme comes into play. This method is designed to be connected to a user action, such as a button click. When invoked, it calls the setTheme method, passing along the new theme preference and engaging the mechanisms to save and apply the theme instantly. Now let's turn to the stylistic aspect of theming. Here, CSS variables are defined on the root selector, which means they're global and can be accessed throughout the entire style sheet. We also define a theme dark class that overrides these variables with values appropriate for a dark theme. When this class is applied to the body element by our JavaScript code, the variables are updated and the new theme styles are rendered across the app.